Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to open SWF files in Chrome. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with Chrome or with any browsers as of this moment, they actually discontinued Flash support. So, you won't be able to normally open them directly. So, you need to install an extension. So, in this case, I'm using Google Chrome here. Let's go and click on the three-dot option at the top right. And you want to go ahead over the extension section and click on the Visit Chrome Web Store. Now inside Chrome Web Store, you want to go to the Search Extensions and Themes at the very top. Just type in the following. Go to Flash Player and just press Enter. And you want to look for something specific here. This is going to be the Flash Player Emulator. So this is what we are looking for. Let's go and select this one. Now what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the Add Chrome or Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Wait for a few seconds, and typically once it's actually added, and if you click on it, you'll be able to start using Flash content or play anything that supports Adobe Flash. Now, the thing with this one, in order for you to fully use this, I would highly recommend you to restart your browser, and once you've restarted your browser, you want to go ahead and just minimize this and drag the file that you want to play. Now, typically, once you drag it or right-click on the actual file here and run it with using Chrome, so once you do select Chrome in here, you'll be able to start viewing those files. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.